Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a school presentation using the Canva website. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing that we will need to do is to go to the Canva website. So all you need to do is to go to the URL section and search for Canva and make sure you are on the canva.com, and from here you will need to have an account. You can just log in with your Google account, so I'm just going to use that. After logging into your Canva account, you will find this homepage where you can find your projects from here, or you can just go to the home, and from here you will find some presentations or some templates. So either you can click on create a design and choose from here and search for a presentation, and from here you will find a blank presentation, or you can just search for some templates that are available and just type school presentation, and you will find uh, many templates concerning the presentation that you would like. So I'm just going to type presentation, and basically you can just go here to the templates and search for any type of presentation that you like. So as you can see already, you can find this category school, and we choose here, and you can just type presentation along it, and from here you can find all these kind of templates, and from here you can start modifying from each template. So as you can see, this is the index, and from here you can start modifying the content of each template. So this is the easiest way of creating school presentation using Canva. Otherwise, you can just like have, as we mentioned at the beginning, to have a white or a blank presentation, and from here you can start creating your own presentation. For example, we can find already here some ideas or some templates from here, or you can just search for a layout. So you search for some layouts that you would like to use. For example, I'm going to use this layout, and from here I can choose and change these images by going, for example, here on my uploads, and I'm going to just click on that, and let's go back, and I'm just going to drag this here, and it will be changed. If I choose this image to be in this layout, it will be like that, and you can do this for all your presentation pages. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.